Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. For example, your boss wants a summary and also the breakdown. So we'll have to copy this tab to again and maybe create this again and then only use these sales excluding we don't need these three rows. We need a summary of this. Instead of doing this again, we can simply use a function in there, which is go to data, go for group here. You can select any columns or rows. We want to group these three because just like I said, we don't need these three. So we'll group these, click here. We'll go for these and group. You can also do as it says, shift alt right. So shift alt right, and if you do a shift alt left, then it will remove the grouping. You can do this group multiple times. So select the shift alt right, shift space, shift down, down, shift alt right, and this. Also, obviously, this is 2018. You won't be interested in every month of 2018. Maybe sometime you will be interested. So also group these. All you have to do is to again select these and go for this group or shift alt right. Same for 18. Same for 19. And then yeah, same for 20. I'm just leaving the total so one can see the total easily. And 22. In 23, well, this is current year, so someone would be happy to see the comparison of previous month, but obviously he won't be happy to see these. So let's also group these. Maybe your boss also wants to see August 23 with the prior year, which is this. Yeah. So let's just ungroup this. You click here or go for ungroup or shift alt left, because shift alt right was to group and shift alt left was to ungroup. And maybe or maybe not this one. So let's just do this. Now, once all this grouping is done, go to the top and click on this one here, and you see all the grouping is closed now. Now it's just presenting a beautiful view. You can see the months, whatever you want. You can every month you can click here, you can open, close, and you can maybe add numbers in there and just ungroup this. This is how you can present your huge data into a simplified format and also not losing anything else, or maybe creating later, doing a long work. And same for here. Once I press this, we can simply see these sales and everything. What if you are looking this total sales and sales twice? It doesn't seem good. So select this and add. Just group. Once you click group next to another group, then it will automatically add. So this one here and adding all of these into groups. Now the group was this. Now the group is increased to this. So once we close this, now it seems good. We see total sales, costs, profit before commission, and gross profit. Let's just get rid of this blank row here, because I said that we'll just see later what we need and what we don't, and we're just trying to create a good view of what we did. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.